Hi guys! My mom just got back from Canada and she got me a Beyblade!
And what they say? What did they say?
Oh, let's see. Oh wait, I need a record.
They're both UX. Wamba, what is it?
Ayo. Oh, I'll just untape it then.
What's this? Brambe. And it's not Brambe, it's a weapon. What else?
Oh,
You haven't seen the dress.
Los pasalubong to you.
What? Where's my other day?
Okay, there it is.
I'll just get the other one.
Ah, there's more tape.
Ta-da!
Yeah, but wait. What's Tiger Dress? This one.
Ta-da!
So many chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Where's Tiger
Let's
Dress?
see what's inside.
Yeah. He's
Are you serious? More tape.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Finally, I removed the last tape.
What thing is better than that?
Wow, so Hasbro Beyblades are hard to like get out of their thing.
Get out!
First time holding a ghost circle. What and why is it? This is Hack Viking. Yo, they look so cool. And we've got the parts. We are unboxing and unboxing. Guys, look at this 460 and low rush. Seriously, that's my first low rush. Let's put them on. I'm surprised they don't come with a... Where's Hack Viking?
It's behind you.
Oh, there. Then we have this cool...
Come Dragon!
This cool for 55 and arm. Yo, this looks so cool.
It's like you put...
Nah, look at this. Aura farming. They're literally aura farming.
Where's my...
Low rush.
Where is my Dragon?
Wait lang.
Wait a minute.
This is yours.
Where's my...
Should I remove this
Where's my
thingy?
Dragon? Where's my...
Should I remove this QR code? I'll try to. Who cares? It's just a QR code anyway. Look at that. Aura. Wow. You know what? Wait. Shout out to my Tita Denise. She bought me this. Let's go. I wonder if this is tournament legal in the Philippines. Ah! Okay, bye guys.